Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today I have a clothing haul for you guys. So until then, just wait. If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry. We're doing a haul today, but mostly handbags. I really like those a lot, but if any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you to consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like, and ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And without any further ado, let's get on into the video. So I do want to quickly apologize because I know one of my videos last week was a haul, but I don't know, this is just kind of how it happened. Last week I was showing you the things that I got while I was in New York, and I did have a couple of things that come in the mail. This week I did do, or not this week, it was like over last week and this week. Stuff gets delivered really fast nowadays, which I'm not complaining about. I really like that. So over the past like 2 weeks or so, I have gathered a few more things here, and most of it's clothing. I do have 2 other things to show. You may have saw them in my last video, but I did just want to include them in this haul. I won't talk too much about them, and you can watch the unboxing if you haven't seen my last video, the unboxing. I'll have it linked in the description for you. Most of it's clothes, and I'll do a try-on haul. I'm very excited. Let me start off by showing you the 2 things that I've already shown. These are my new AirPods Max. I did get these. I've had these for about 3 days. I got them on Sunday. Today's Wednesday, so Tuesday, Monday, Sunday, like 3 days now, and I've been using them every single day. I love them so much so far. As you can see, I got the black ones. I feel like the black ones are just really nice. I know other people get like the green ones and the blue ones and everything. I couldn't even do the white ones. I was just like, no, it has to be black. So these are beautiful. I love them so much so far. And then I got these new pair of sunglasses from Gentle Monster. I did include these in the unboxing in my last video. Very nice. I'm not gonna do that too much because it makes the camera go nuts, but they look so nice. I really like these a lot. So those are the 2 things that I've already shown. The next thing I have here is actually the shirt that I have on. This is a sweater from Acne Studios, and I really wanted the sweater. I scoured the internet trying to find this sweater. It was a limited edition release from Acne Studios, and it's like the propaganda thing. I really wanted this sweater, so I did find it online, and then when I got it, I cut off the hem. Is that what that thing is called? It's like the bottom bit. I can't stand those things usually, and my Balenciaga sweater has one on there, but I'm not touching it. Absolutely not. But it's like the hem at the bottom of the sweater that kind of looks like this. I don't like it. I have to like keep folding it under, and it's just really annoying. Here's what it looks like. I know a lot of people are going to be like, oh my god, I can't believe you cut that sweater, but it's fine. I like it a lot more now. Yeah, I really like it. It says the propaganda on the front, and then it has this on the back, and it's such a really thick material, like it's insanely thick. So yeah, I love this. Of course, this could not be a clothing haul without at least one Toteme sweater. So here is the one that I got. I got this, you guys, for like 55% off. I couldn't believe it. I found it on a website called Sense, like S-S-E-N-S-E, I believe, Sense. And here is what she looks like. She's this beautiful camel color, and it just looks like this. It's really pretty. It's long sleeve. It's like kind of bell sleeves. Of course, I want to try all this on for you so you can see it better. But it does have like the line in the front, like right here. That is so you can tuck it in really nicely. So when I saw this for that price, normally this sweater, I believe, let me look at the tag here. I still have the tag on it. Oh, it doesn't tell me. $6.50. It's normally $6.50. Oh my god. I got it for $293. It was even 60% off. But I was so excited when I found this for like less than 300 bucks. I was like, absolutely 1,000,000% sign me up. Yes, ma'am. And then I did get one more Toteme sweater. I got it on Farfetch, and of course they were having another super sale, which is crazy. They were doing like 15% off, and I was able to use a 10% off discount code from like one of the influencers that I follow. I think I used Celeste's discount code. Hey Celesta, if you watch this, you probably won't, but I used your code. I got this sweater. I don't have it here yet. It's not arriving in time for this video, sadly. It says that it could arrive anywhere between today and today and Monday, but it's not gonna arrive today. Like, that's just not happening. But I will post a picture of it right here so you can see what she looks like. She's beautiful. She's like this white cream colored sweater, and I have one that's an alpaca blend that I got. It was like my first Toteme sweater ever, and this one's very similar. It's not the same, I don't think. It's not the same, no. But this sweater is normally $500 and I got it for $340. Absolutely nuts. And it did ship from the UK, and here again I showed you what it looked like, but I'm very excited to have that. I have another sweater, guys. Another sweater, another one. This other sweater that I got is from Revolve. I don't have it because I ordered it last night. And it says that it should get here Thursday or Friday. Again, if it gets here before this video goes out, I will add it in the video. But here's what it looks like. Again, it was on sale. Everything that I've purchased except for this has been on sale. So, or I've been able to use some kind of discount code with it. But I just happened to see this on the Revolve app because I was like scrolling through sweaters and like seeing what's available, and this popped up and I thought it was really cute with like the v-neck and the lines. It kind of reminded me of like a sorority sweater or something, you know what I mean? It's kind of off the shoulder a little bit. I feel like you could wear a white button-down t-shirt underneath this and then put the sweater on top and like wear like a cute black skirt or black pants, and it would just be a vibe. It'd be so freaking cute. So that concludes everything that I don't have, and now I'll show you the rest of the stuff that I do have. First up, I got this right here. This is a set, and I got this from Petite brand. It's a brand called Petite brand. They're blowing up on social media. I've seen Lou from Just Way Lou talk about them. I've seen Cassie Thorpe talk about them. I've seen loads of other people talk about them, and I thought their stuff was so freaking cute. It's a little matching set, you guys. Technically, this is meant for people that are 5'4" or lower. So in centimeters, I think it's like 162 or something. I'm 165 centimeters. I'm 5'5". I'm directly in the middle. Alexa, what is 5'4" in centimeters?
5 feet 4 inches is 162.6 centimeters.
I was right, oh my god. So I'm 165 centimeters, I'm 5'5". So technically this brand is supposed to fit people that are 162 centimeters, 5'4" or below. Because that's like petite sizing. My mom is petite, my mom is like 5'2". But I got my dad's height, like kind of like in the middle. My dad's 6 foot, my mom's 5'2", I'm right smack in the middle. And I love my height a lot actually. But I really wanted to try this to see if I could even fit. And I can. I'm so happy about it. I love this set. It's so cute. I will say, I can tell it's made a little shorter. Like the inseam on this is definitely a bit shorter compared to what I'm used to. It does not hinder me whatsoever. I just have to wear it a tiny bit lower than I would if it was like a regular size. I can sit down, no problem. Again, if I wear it technically where it's meant to be, like super high-waisted, then there ain't no way I'm sitting. But this right here as well, I was so happy because I was afraid that the sleeves were going to be way too short. They are shorter compared to, again, standard sizing, but it's fine. It's fine. It doesn't hinder me. It doesn't bother me at all. I do see people roll up the sleeves on this. That's probably the only thing that I wouldn't be able to do. My arms are a tiny bit too long to roll up the sleeves. If I was shorter, like 5'4", 5'3", the sleeves would be right at my wrist, you know. So I don't roll the sleeves up, but that's about it. Next up, I got a few things from the ARITZIA Caliente sale. I got 3 things from there. And don't worry, they're not anything like super fancy, to be honest. I got 2 t-shirts. And I'll show you something else here in a second, but I got this basic white tee just because I really wanted a good white t-shirt. I don't have like a basic white t-shirt, believe it or not, and the fabric on this is so thick. It's very soft, very thick. I love the quality of these. I mean, ARITZIA has great quality items, but they are usually pretty expensive, but my Caliente sale was 20% off. I think it depends on like how much you buy with ARITZIA. I mean, like you could have gotten like 50% off or something. I don't know really, but I got 20% off and I got these 3 things. I really like them, so I got this white one, and this one I didn't technically need, but I love the color mint so much. It's like my favorite color. Oh. The camera is not doing this justice. I don't know where I'm gonna wear this. I mean, I could wear it the same way that I wear that white one, but it's like a beautiful little mint color. Oh my god, I love it so much. And whenever I end up getting my Bottega Veneta Jody, the mini Jody in the color Fountain, it's like a mint color, I'm still on that bag, guys. I talked about that bag months ago, and I'm still on that bag, which makes you know I really want it. So that is the next bag on my radar. I really want that bag. And my last thing from ARITZIA are these shorts. These are the best, I guess they're cycling shorts, but I don't wear them for that. I just wear them as like, you know, I guess just shorts around the house or like going out. These are so cute and I really like them. I believe they're by like TNA. Yeah, TN Action. I got a size small in these, and I thought these would look just so cute. Like I could wear these with that white shirt because the white t-shirt is pretty, it's a bit oversized, so it's kind of like a t-shirt dress situation unless you tuck it in. So like I could wear the white shirt or like my mint shirt with this, and it would just be such a cute little sporty vibe. If I had like sneakers on with it or something, it'd be so cute. Or I could wear this with like a more dress up outfit. I could wear this with a tank top like this and a blazer, or I could wear this and this with like a trench coat, this and this with some kind of other coat when it gets a little cooler outside. I could wear this with the next item that I'm gonna show you here in a minute. It's just adorable. I love these. They're very versatile. The only thing that I don't like is I wish they had a pocket. I swear, pants just don't come with pockets anymore, and it makes me so angry. That's why I always wear these leggings from Amazon, because it freaking has a pocket. I've been buying more and more pants that don't have pockets because they're cute, and I'm really fed up with it. I want pockets, damn it. That's what I got from the Caliente sale from ARITZIA. The only other thing, we're down to my last item, is a little piece from Abercrombie & Fitch, and it was also on sale, and I cannot wear this until it becomes fall or winter because it's definitely way too hot for right now. Here she is. Let me tell you, this is the cutest freaking thing. Believe it or not, I actually saw this on Celesta's Instagram and she linked it, and I was like, oh bitch, that's so cute. Let me look at that myself as well. It is this, what would you call this? A cropped jacket, a cropped sweater jacket. And it's really structured. Like it feels like it has boning even though it doesn't, but it's really structured and beautiful, and it crops directly at like your belly button almost, and it's so flattering, and it even looks good buttoned up as well. Like I'll show you in the try on portion, but it looks so cute. And again, I did get this on sale. Originally $99, but I think I got it for like $60 maybe, something along those lines. But yeah, I really love this, and I can't wait to wear it in the fall or winter time. It'll be perfect for that time of year. Pretty much the entire way that I dress normally is fall and winter time. Say lovey. You guys, that has been my clothing haul with a couple of miscellaneous items. I really hope that you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments what your favorite thing from my haul was today. Let me know if you have any of the things that I showed. Let me know if you participated in any of these awesome summer sales, whether that be the Sense sale, the Caliente sale, just anything like that. I mean, even Petite the brand, they had a sale going on, and I used a discount discount code as well. So I got the whole set for $150 when I think if you buy it individually, it ends up being like $200-ish. Everything I got in this video was on sale and I'm just so happy about it. But just leave me a comment down below telling me anything just because I want to know that. And again, I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. And ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!